Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and here let's find the sound and vibration option. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the whole ringtone section, and we can change the ringtone for calls. This is the very first option, but also for the alarms, events or notifications. So let me show you how to do it using the ringtone. So simply tap on this option, and here we've got 4 different options actually from which we can choose. So here we've got 3 ringtones which are highlighted, so obviously you can pick something from those. Just tap on it in order to listen how they sound. As you can see, I've got do not disturb mode actually, so here you can check how it will sound. If you don't like those highlighted options, just tap on all ringtones, and we will be transferred to the full list of all available ringtones from which we can choose. So for example, you can tap on this one and listen how it will sound. What's more, you've got the option don't set ringtone, so it means that your device won't notify you about any incoming calls. Here we've got also 2 different options to choose: online ringtone or local ringtone. So the local ringtone will just transfer you to your own files. So if you will have any compatible ones, for example downloaded, they will appear right here, for example in the file manager or music, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me choose something from these options, and all you have to do, as I said, if you'd like to listen how it sounds, just tap on it and you will be able to check. And if you are happy with your choice, for example, if you'd like to set Glee as your ringtone, just tap on it and get back. As you can see, it is notified right here, and after getting back you can also check it here that from now on your device will use the Glee as the ringtone for incoming calls. So actually that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.